I'd fix me some breakfast here. I kept talking about it, and I thought, well, you know something, I'm just gonna go ahead and get the old sausage and eggs out, make me some sausage and eggs. I'm waiting on that UPS driver. You ever seen that movie, Grown Ups, where that guy stands over on the corner and waits for that woman to go to the bathroom so he can go over and knock on the door and say, "We've missed you." That's the way I feel that UPS driver going. I feel like he's riding around here somewhere waiting for me to drive off and go somewhere, and he's gonna come over here and not give me my package. But anyway, I just thought, come on, UPS. Come on, UPS. I'm not here. UPS. Don't be quiet. I'm hunting UPS. Shh. Y'all tell me if y'all see it. UPS. UPS. Hey, I got me some of this scent killer, 99%. I'm gonna see if it'll work. There, let's see if it makes the UPS. Maybe if he don't think I'm here, he'll show up. Okay, everybody, listen. I went out there and set some decoys up. I'm gonna show you what I done. The decoys, that ought to bring them in between my scent killer and my decoys. I think I got it. Look, I'm gonna show y'all. Look right there. Y'all see that? Look. Look, I got them. By golly, that'll pull them in here. You watch. UPS. UPS. I know what them hunters feel like now. Just sitting there waiting, hoping the big brown thing just comes right in the driveway. Shh. I got my scent killer on. Y'all keep an eye out. Shh. Y'all be real quiet. I got my sausage and eggs, my Pepsi. We're still waiting on that UPS. I'm just telling you, if that big bug comes in, I'm just gonna take that package from him. Oh, what's that? Well, I don't think that's it. Hold on just a second. What we got? That Ford driver was lost. He pulled in. Guy on the passenger side got out and run to the back of the truck and looked, shook his head. I know nothing blowed out. That Ford wasn't fast enough. Maybe that UPS will come in here real quick. What's that? What? Mail lady. That was close. That was real close. I got my scent killer on. I was kind of hoping the smell of this chicken and the pig, I was hoping they'd think it was just farm animals and they'd come on over here. I mean, this is kind of farm stuff, chicken and pig. Big big brown UPS truck. That big buck will come on in here. UPS! UPS! I don't see how people hunt like this all the time. I hear something. Another Ford. It's just an Explorer, don't worry about it. You know what was bad? I told them I'd be here between 6 and 9 every day. And they said, driver only stays out there about 4:30, 5 o'clock at the latest. But when I tracked that thing earlier, it said it'd be here today before 9 p.m. 9 p.m. now. I mean, you know, hell, if it would have come between 6 and 9 every day this week, I'd have got it. But no. It was a Ram. We're getting close. Okay, I finished my eggs and sausage. I got my gel blaster. I can tell you right now, if a UPS truck comes in here, I'm gonna light him up if he don't have my package.
Randy?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.